If Venmo isn't letting you transfer money to your bank account, several issues could be at play, but most are fixable with a few steps. First, check your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or cellular signal can disrupt transfers. Ensure the Venmo app is updated to the latest version to avoid bugs. Verify your bank account or debit card details in the app. Settings, payment methods. Match your bank's records exactly, including name and address. If you see a lost connection with your bank, error, remove and re-add your account, ideally using Plaid for instant verification or manually verify with microdeposits. Takes 1,003 days. Insufficient funds in your Venmo balance or linked account can cause declines, so confirm your balance covers the transfer. Unverified accounts face lower limits, $9.99. 99-week for transfers. Complete identity verification. Settings, identity verification, to raise this to $60,000. Week. Venmo's fraud detection may flag large or unusual transfers. Try a smaller amount or contact your bank to approve the transaction. Server outages, reported on August 1, 2025, can also halt transfers. Check Venmo support on X for updates. If issues persist, call Venmo at 855-812-44330, 6 AMS. PT. As a workaround, try a different bank or debit card, or request a mailed check. What's the specific error you're seeing?